la mer qu'on voit danser le long des golfes clairs a des reflets d'argent, la mer, des reflets changeants sous la pluie. La mer, au ciel d'été, confond ses blancs moutons avec les anges si purs. La mer, bergère d'azur infinie. Voyez, près des étangs, roseaux mouillés. Voyez, ces oiseaux blancs et ces maisons rouillées. Les a bercés le long des golfes clairs et d'une chanson d'amour, la mer a bercé mon cœur pour la vie, la mer.
I'm gonna take care of my dog for the first time. That doesn't sound good at all. Let me say that better. I have my dog Charlie, but I don't really take care of him. My parents are the ones, and my brother Riley, are the ones who pick up his poop, take him on walks, plays with him outside, and things like that. Because I can't really do that stuff because of my, my disability. Like, it would be hard to. But I was thinking, like, that is something that everyone should do. I mean, I feel like every dog owner, no matter if you're the parent or if you're the child who has the dog, like, they all, sooner or later, they all feed them. And that might not be a big deal to people because it's so ordinary, but it's a big deal to me because I've never done it. And I don't know how I would do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. For one whole day, I'm gonna take care of Charlie and do everything that my parents would do. If I can do it. First I gotta see how I'm gonna do it before I actually go and do it. That sounded... Why am I making this so complicated? You know what I mean. So I wanted to ask you, Grandpa, since I'm gonna be taking care of Charlie for my video, I need some advice on what to do. You used to have a dog, right, or no? Do you have any advice on how I'm gonna be able to feed him and put his food in the bowl? Coming from a dog owner, former dog owner.
I mean, just make him however you normally feed him. Just feed him.
But I don't feed him.
Oh, you don't?
I gotta figure out a way to get his food bag and pour it in his thing. Have the bag, see if I can walk with it first, sit down, and then put the scoop thing in the bag, and then bend down and do it. Probably.
Or on the table, you could have it on the table.
Because I'm trying to do it all by myself.
Then you gotta get it from the table down to the floor.
And how am I gonna do that? You got any advice for me to do that?
Probably put on something low, so you don't have to bend over to it.
Or how am I gonna get it? From the floor originally?
You mean how to pick it up?
Yeah.
You don't think you can do that? Just bend down and pick it up.
Okay, thanks for the advice, Grandpa. I kind of wanted to get some advice. Do you have any advice for me?
Walking is definitely important.
Right.
I kind of wrap it around my hand so I have a little bit of a tighter grip. I leave enough to where he can walk comfortably in front of me. The dog might go a little too fast, and that's always hard because they're struggling against the leash. Eventually they understand your pace and they get on your wavelength. We buy his dog food and we break it up into little Ziploc bags.
Okay.
So they're already all set up in small little portions. We just have that ready for the day, so we take out that bag and dump what's in there in his bowl for the day.
Okay.
So it's not like we're taking a whole big bag of dog food and dumping it
Right.
We're just like breaking it into small pieces by day. So that might be easier.
That's a good idea, actually. Well, I think that's good. Thanks,
Okay,
Ryan.
cool.
Let the day of taking care of Charlie commence. First things first, I gotta play with him. So, I'm gonna play fetch. Charlie! Hi, Charlie. Play fetch. Hey. Come on. Look. Charlie, over here, Charlie. Charlie, you're supposed to bring back the stick, Charlie. Charlie, hello.
La mer,
Wait. Oh my god, you're making me full. Wait, you're gonna make me full. Stop it! Charlie, you're supposed to bring it back, Charlie. Ay, ay, ay. I'm already tired. Alright, now I gotta feed Charlie. And yeah, and put his food in his bowl. And I know Ryan said that he puts it in Ziploc bags. And then he puts it in his bowl or whatever.
We break it up into little Ziploc bags.
I don't know, I'm not gonna do that. Kinda seems like a extra step. It kinda seems kinda dumb. No shade, Ryan. Because we do have a scooper, I think, so. Yeah. Dog food smells. Alright, now I'm a little confused where the actual scooper is. I think it must be in this drawer, though. This thing? This seems really small if it's this thing. Wow, I really don't know anything.
qu'on voit danser le long des golfes clairs.
Yeah, here it is. Oh, that doesn't smell very good. How am I gonna do this? Just food bowls right here. So I actually may be able to just scoop it in there from here. Thank God. I think I would like fell and crack my head open. Hold on like this and go like 1, 2, 3. Oh, he needs water too. I could give him water. I could do all that actually. One. Last one. Oh, top one. Ugh. Charlie, you want a treat? Sit. Spin. Good boy. Up. Lay down. Nope. Lay down. Up. Up. Down. Good boy. Good, he's going to poop. Yeah. Good boy, Charlie.
Reflet d'argent, la mer, des reflets changeants.
I'll try, that's what it's about. Trying.
La pluie.
I could do this. Maybe not, but... Ew, there's flies everywhere.
Told you!
Ew! Oh, this is gonna suck. But how do you use like scoop?
No, just barely skim it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Ugh.
No, no. Here, we have you.
Yeah. You would too.
There you go. Got
Ah!
I
Oh, I want to throw up.
accepted bites as well. Not even.
Ah!
Yeah, dude. Alright, we got one more.
Oh, oh that smells so bad. Ugh. I can do the other. Oh my god, that smells so bad. That trash can. Oh my
Freshly
god,
baked cookies.
that smells horrible.
Smells like freshly baked cookies.
What kind of cookies you eating?
Got it, dude. Yeah.
Hurry up, open it quick. Ah. That trash can full of crap smelled. That was the worst. This way. Yeah. Yeah, Charles. Yeah, Charlie. It's actually kind of working. I could do this. I could definitely do this out in the street.
Hey, dude, don't fight me.
I'm so tired. I successfully took care of Charlie for one day. I walked Charlie, I fed Charlie, I played with Charlie. And I'm sick of Charlie.
La mer.
You look like a fat kid on my scooter.
Who's a fat kid on my scooter?